Hey crafters, Beth with Crafty Corner, and today I want to show you how to upload your child's drawing to be able to cut it on your Cricut. So let's go. My son knows that I am a huge fan of these Cricut cuties and thinks that they're so cute. So one day he was looking at this one and he decided to draw this picture for me. So to start, what we need to do is take a Sharpie and outline our drawing here with our Sharpie. Then once we're done, we're going to take a picture. I did turn the flash on to make sure that it was nice and bright. After we take the picture, we are going to edit it in our photos here on our phone. And I turned up the brightness, and I also turned down the contrast to make it very pop out that it was the black and white. Over in Design Space, we're going to hit Upload image, and browse, and we are going to go grab that image to wherever you saved it, either on your phone or your computer. I'm going to click simple just because it's just black and white, and here we're going to use this tool to click on any of the pieces that we don't want. So any of the inside white pieces we want to click on. This is getting rid of those pieces so it knows exactly what to cut. You can come up here and do preview cut image and it'll show you exactly what it's going to cut. We'll hit apply and continue. We could either do print and cut, which would print it from your computer's printer, but we definitely want this cut image to be able to cut it out on our Cricut. So we'll give it a name, and then we can also add tags if we wanted to, just so that we could find it better later. Hit upload, and there it is on your Design Space. So we'll click it and add to canvas. It came in pretty big here, so I'm going to lock this and make it smaller so you can see it. All right, and there is our drawing that my son made. I want to put it on a water bottle. This is my template that I created to fit on my water bottle, so I'm going to fill this in with all of my little cuties. All right, so here is my template for my water bottle. I found this little cutie in Design Space and it says I can totally make that. Here, let me make it bigger so you can see it. It says I can totally make that, which I say all the time. All right, we don't actually want to cut out this template, so we're going to hide this. We want the Cricut to cut all of this out exactly how it is, so we're going to select all of it and come down over here and click on attach. All right, and then we're ready to make it. I am going to use regular vinyl, so I need to put it on a mat. Click continue. And premium vinyl. So we're going to cut out the vinyl with our Cricut. And I've already weeded it here. I used the bright pad so you can see my design, otherwise it's hard to see when it's the white on white. So I am just peeling off the backing of my transfer tape and placing it right over my design. And I'm going to use my scraper. This is going to burnish it very well to the transfer tape so I can move it onto my water bottle. Here, I can turn my bright pad off now so you can see. Again, just going over the whole thing with a scraper, the front and the back. And then I'll peel off the backing and place on my water bottle. I always go one side first. And make sure that that's all stuck down to the tumbler here before putting the other side. Otherwise the transfer tape kind of sticks to itself. Okay, and then we'll just do this side. And there is my child's drawing on my new Cricut tumbler. I'm pretty obsessed. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, give us a comment below and don't forget to subscribe.